Welcome to Twinkle Town, a place in the sky where stars shine bright and dreams take flight. High above the world, among the giggling clouds, lived a little star named Nova. Nova, a glowing golden star with big eyes and stubby arms, is happily bouncing between clouds. Today's the day, my first time leading the night parade. Stars gather in a big, shiny square. Twinkly music plays as preparations are made for the night parade, where stars zip across the sky to light up the world below. Nova, you've trained hard. Tonight, you lead the parade. I won't let you down, Mayor Comet. Crowd cheers, just remember. Deep breath, steady shine, and no. Hiccup. Nova hiccups. A tiny firework poofs out of her head. Oops, that's new. Oh, dear, not the hiccups. Last time a star had hiccups, it rained marshmallows for a week. Don't worry, I'll hold them in. Nova zips to the starting cloud, nervous but determined. No hiccups. Be strong. Shine bright. Music swells, parade drums ready, set. Shine. Stars shoot into the sky in dazzling lines. Nova leads, drawing bright swirls. I'm doing it. Hiccup. Nova spins wildly, hiccups causing her to loop and blast glittery sparks. Other stars duck and dodge. Duck. She's sparkling like a sparkler. I can fix this. Just need to hold my breath. She puffs her cheeks and zips forward, but hiccups again and crashes into a cloud castle. Crash. Poof. Nova, maybe it's best you sit this one out, but I tried so hard. Nova sits alone on a fluffy edge, watching the other stars. Maybe I'm not meant to shine after all. A small starlet, Twinkle, floats up beside her.